Yes! Third win in a row, baby! Lizzie, look! What is it? No way! Are these fabulous specs or what? And my birthday's not till March! Let's see. Whoa! Lizzie? Is that you? Normal Lizzie? Gorgeous green Lizzie! What? Girl, you gotta try these on. They look like glasses to me. I'm totally different, see? Normal Bella. Perfectly pink Bella. Wow. You thinking what I'm thinking? Let's make this more interesting, shall we? Never hurts to add a little color. This is spectacular! Whoa! Check out this awesome room! And we get candy! It matches my hair! This stuff's supposed to be super sour, but I think I can handle it. It's a little messy, huh? That's tangy and sour, alright. And it holds on to these little guys. Cool! I could use a pretty pink pucker. Well, what do you think? It's a pretty fabulous look, huh? And it tastes even better! Is our next treat here yet? What do we do with empty plates? Does anybody know anything about this? Maybe the challenge is over. Oh, Lizzie. Huh? Have fun with this little treat. Our treat is staring back at us! Phew, they're not real eyeballs. Could you imagine? They smell pretty good, actually. I've always wanted a pair of baby blues. Interesting, huh? Whoa! Good thing you love the color blue. Your hair, Lizzie. How did that even happen? I wonder if it'll do it to me, too. These sure are a mouthful, aren't they? What on earth is this? We don't have to eat it, do we?
Yeah.
This stuff usually stays in the bathroom. Are all rolls really this long? We better get a prize at the end. Aw! It's a teeny tiny toilet! With candy inside? Not too appetizing, huh? Huh! And now we dip! Think it's sweet or sour? Definitely sour. On second thought, what's with the mood lighting? Check this out! Candy sent from above? I'm sparkling like a mermaid or something! Never thought I'd like candy from the toilet. Kinda wish it matched my hair, though. Green is just more my thing. Pink plus green. What does it all mean? Whoa, our favorite sodas! Only one thing left to do. Nothing like a little carbonation. Let's take these bubbles up a notch. It's like a party going on in my mouth! This green apple flavor's the best! This cup's looking pretty delicious. Mmm! Strawberry! We should use these kinds of cups more often. Getting sleepy? These treats ought to wake you up. Pretty awesome, right?
Whoa.
These things sure are huge. Let's get sipping! My mouth's watering. Talk about a juicy surprise. I'm gonna try something. Just gonna use my trusted spoon. Now I can really appreciate these things. There are like a million of them in here. Ready?
Wow.
Is this what life on an exotic island is like? We're so ready for the next round! Candy gum? This little thing's so cute! But how do we… This little tool ought to help. Just gonna squirt out a little bit. Yum! Isn't that bad for your teeth? This is a little stickier than toothpaste. It's not foaming at all. It's just super sticky and gummy.
Hey.
Maybe you were just eating it wrong. Mmm! Bubbles are made for popping, right? Lizzie! Watch this magic! Pretty cool, huh? Hope it tastes as good as it looks. You have to rip the pieces out. It's a cotton candy cake! This stuff looks super weird. Hey! We get drinks too? Should we do it? Definitely! Cotton candy dissolves in liquid, right? Watch! It's totally disappearing! Oh, I gotta try this myself! And in you go! I gotta try this! Wait! Your drink's not ready!
Lizzie, no!
No.
What? It's more fun with these! Cheers to a little more color in life! I second that!
Think you're a picky eater? What if you decided to only eat foods that were one specific color, like green or orange? Well, wonder no more, because you're about to find out what it would mean to only eat food of the same color. If only all of it could be chocolate, am I right? In an experiment this wild, anything can happen. Get your taste buds ready, because we're about to take the one color food for 24 hours challenge. Oh, hey ladies, have you picked out your colors yet? Hey, looking good. Let's do this thing. Each girl will choose what their opponent eats. You ready? Lana is on a mission to find anything green for Vicky to eat. And this green seaweed is the perfect appetizer for this challenge. Oh yeah! Okay, Vicky, your first green meal of the day is here. Go ahead and see what it is. Deliciously slimy seaweed. That smell is enough to spoil my appetite for a week. Hey, you're the one who chose the color green. All right, I may as well get this over with. Oh man, that's even slimier than I expected. That's a pretty big bite there. You sure about this, Vicky? Ick. That does not look like it tastes good. Hey, just pretend it's a big mouthful of tasty spaghetti. Green, disgusting, slimy spaghetti. Good job there, Vic. Next up, it's Vicky's turn to find some orange grub for Lana. Here you go, bon appetit. It has a rather strong aroma. Ugh, yeah, definitely doesn't smell like something I want to eat. Oh no, now I'm really scared. Raw onion? Are you serious? Oh no, this is gonna be brutal. It kind of looks like a slice of an apple, but I'm pretty sure it'll be anything but sweet. Whoa, that's one monster bite. Who knew those were so juicy? We feel your pain, Lana. You're one brave soul. Ooh, get that girl a stick of gum. Stat! Next up, another round of green food. Okay, Vicky, you got this. Is that an aloe vera plant? Ugh, why couldn't it have just been some celery? So dramatic. Let's see here. Yep, this big one's got your name all over it, girl. Okay. Wish I could put some peanut butter on this thing at least. Here goes nothing. Oh yeah, those things are filled with gooey aloe vera gel. Well, now we know why aloe is only good for sunburns, not snacks. Ugh, it burns! It's time for another delicious orange treat. Okay, Lana, don't be scared. Just rip it off like a Band-Aid. Pasta? Is this my lucky day or what? It's not even that orange. You're right, and I'm going to help you out with that. Mustard? That doesn't go well with pasta. Oh man, were we fresh out of tomato sauce or something? Now what? You don't expect me to actually eat this slop, do you? Here, let me help you. Oh man, we can barely even watch. Okay, just give me that. Ugh, it's salty and spicy and just plain awful. Come on, Lana, you can do it. Just swallow it. All right, we've got another green delicacy coming your way. Vicky, you there? You can open your eyes now. Hey, broccoli. That's not bad at all. Well, unless of course you hate the stuff. Sure, broccoli's edible, but do you ever actually get excited to eat it? Nope, didn't think so. Come on, Vicky, eat your vegetables. Hey, you're not my mom. All right, I guess one bite won't kill me. Man, I suddenly feel a wave of nothingness washing over my body. Awesome. Now it's Lana's turn to munch on some orange goodies. All right, this next round's all you, Lana. Cheetos and orange soda? How did you know this was my all-time favorite snack? I don't think I've ever been so happy to see this stuff. You're the best, Vic. Hey, what do you need that blender for? Wait, I like this stuff as it is. We don't need to blend it. Hand it over. Unless you want to see it come right back up, we don't advise making this at home. Well, there's no denying this is one big orange meal. Oh boy, this is not going to be pretty. If I didn't know any better, I'd think that was a big glass of orange juice. It's all yours, Lana. It smells exactly like how you'd think Cheeto juice would taste. Ick! Watch out, people, she's gonna blow! Yikes, I hope that didn't taste as bad as it looked. Let's see what green grub will be on Vicky's plate next, shall we? Without further ado, your super fantastic green cupcake. Hey, that doesn't look half bad. Thanks, Lana. Well, it looks like a cupcake and it feels like a cupcake. All right, I'm going in. Yeah, my mouth is on fire! Help! Well, Vicky, that's because that's not frosting, it's wasabi. See, I really got you that time, didn't I? Here comes another plate of orange food. If you can't stomach it… Okay, Lana, I really think you're gonna like this one. It's a big lobster. Claws, eyes, and all. It's not alive, is it? Huh. That was not funny, Vicky. Okay, I'd better start chowing down on this thing. I don't have any other way to crack through the shell but with my own teeth. Oh, this shell is a lot harder than I thought it would be. Hey, didn't anyone tell you not to play with your food? Whoops. This is not going at all the way it was supposed to. Oh, my bad. There you go, little guy. For this last round, we're going with a double whammy chow down sesh. Go on, girls, open them up. Orange candy! Finally, something on my plate that I actually want to eat. Whoa, check out Vicky's plate of sweets. Now this is a green meal I can get on board with. All right, Mr. Macaroon, get into my pie hole this instant. Man, that's good. How's yours, Lana? This is a far cry from raw onion, let me tell ya. Wow, did this challenge have a happy ending or what? Girls, don't eat too many. You'll give yourself an epic stomachache from all that sugar. What's up, guys? Hey, something tells me we have another 24-hour one-color food challenge coming our way. What? Oh yeah, it's on. Poor Bella. She has no idea what's coming to her. Heck no, I'm not eating that thing. Love a good blue raspberry lollipop? Hey, that was mine! Whoa! Where am I? And why is everything blue?
It's a lollipop time! Huh? That was my candy!
Oh, thanks, I guess? My other one was bigger. Whoa! What? Ah! We're still alive, right? Are we about to eat or something? What's under these? Welcome to the Blue Food Challenge. Ready to see what's up first? Let's do this! A candy ring! Can't say no to some jewelry, right? But you don't usually eat it. Ooh, it's pretty. And it fits like a glove. Pretty sweet, huh? I have always dreamt this day would come. It's just like a fairy tale. Who were you looking at?
Hannah, make me the happiest man alive and say yes to forever. Will you marry me?
Hannah? Snap out of it, girl. Well, a girl can pretend, can't she? Love you, fantasy dream boy. Don't think it's a real diamond. Ugh, this is all one big lie. I'm doomed to be single, eating candy forever. You okay, Julie? Didn't know how those got there. Let's see what's on your plate. Looks like a raspberry push pop.
These things are so yummy! And they're filled with sugar. Let's pop this sucker open. Simply open it and dip. My mouth's watering. Mmm. It's sweet, but with a sour finish. Okay, I think it's time for dip number 2. Looks like Julie lucked out with this one. Let me get in on that. Oh yeah. What goes better with candy than more sugar? This is way sweeter than a proposal anyway. Ready for the next round? Yikes! These aren't real, are they? It's hard to tell. Should I pick them up? They're squishy! I've always wanted blue eyes. Think they suit my face well? Why, hello there! Why don't you open yours now, Julie? It's a sour roll! Let's see here. This is a big piece of candy. Whoa! Dare me to eat the whole thing? Here are some blue eyes to match. Now that's pretty freaky. This is pretty sour. Then it gets sweet. Wonder what this tastes like. Only one way to find out. Mmm, is that marshmallow? And strawberry jam in the middle! Definitely not a real eyeball, guys. But it's still a little gross to watch. Alright, almost there. But overall, it's pretty good. And the best part? There are 2 of them! Bon appetit, Hannah. That was a pretty big bite. Alright, I'm tasting strawberry. And somehow, this tastes better than the other one. This is too much candy for me. So, why don't you take half? Thanks. Let's race. 1, 2, 3, go! Just gonna make one small adjustment. There we go. Done! Hannah, looks like you lost that one. But I know I can eat fast, see? I'll admit, that was impressive. Let's see what's up next. Whoa! Wonder what this little guy does.
Freeze, punk. Who do you work for?
Hey, what does this little button do? It's like the candy's glowing! Whoa, my very own lightsaber!
Hannah, no!
That almost clipped Julie's nose. But Hannah's in her own little world. For everyone's safety, let's stop. There's gotta be candy in here. Aha! Looks like clear juice. And the taste? Strong enough for me to sprout chest hair. Phew! Let's not waste time. I'm spraying it right into my mouth. Hannah, that's way too much, girl. Your tongue's gonna fall right off. Ugh, that's really intense. Is it my turn now? A nerd's necklace? But can Julie eat all this? It's worth a try, right? They're a little sour at first. It's kind of weird, to be honest. Look at those chompers. They're really kicked into high gear. Now that's a face to remember. But why not take things even further? Give those nerds a spritz, Hannah. I almost can't taste it anymore. My tongue has been on a journey. Think we can handle another round? Now this looks interesting. But there are some preliminary steps. They sound like sand inside. Reminds me of warm days on the beach. You know, when you're on the sand, shaking maracas as the sun sets over the ocean. Julie? Come back here, girl. This calls for an experienced medical professional. Paging Dr. Hannah, we have a patient in vacation mode. Can you snap her back to reality? With this stuff, I sure can. Hang on, Julie, I'm coming for you. Oh, what happened? Sorry about that. Guess I should open this. And into the mouth they go. They're starting to crackle already. You hear that? That must tickle your tongue. Check it out! Sounds like a party in there. That was pretty cool. But it's time for a little refill. Here we go again. This time, things are really getting crazy. Mind if I play a bit? Sour squirts coming in hot. Anything? There's something happening, all right. Tastes pretty fantastic. Tongue's a little tired, though. Let's see what Hannah's got. They're little juicy drops. Looks pretty good, huh? But first, I've got to inject them. It looks like super sour juice. Get on in there. Yum! It'll balance out the sugar overload. Let's give one a try. It's super sour at first. Then you can really taste the sugar. Oh yeah, I'm digging this stuff. It's nice and sweet on your tongue. But why stop with one? We're eating the whole plate, baby. Everyone's getting in on this stuff. Oh, sweet and sour goodness. I don't want all the yummies to end. This ought to titillate those taste buds. Man, that's a lot of sour juice. You're gonna finish the whole thing! And that's how it's done, people. Man, what a rush!